येनाक्षरसमां नायमधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। येन धौता गिरः पुंसां विमलैः शब्दवारिभिः तमश्चाज्ञानजं भिन्नं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। अथ शब्दानुशासनम्। अथ माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि ऐ उन् ऋलृक् ए ओङ् ऐ औच् हयवरट् लण् ञमगणनं जभै घडदश जबगडदश ख फ छ ट त चटतौ कपै शशसर् हल् इति माहेश्वराणि सूत्राणि। अथ अष्टाध्यायी सूत्रपाठः। चतुर्थोऽध्यायः द्वितीयः पादः। सिद्धा अस्ति वा वैष्णवी?
आम् अस्मि महोदय। महोदय स्क्रीन् न दृश्यते महोदय।
स्क्रीन् न दृश्यते, एकनिमिषम्।
इदानीं दृश्यते महोदय।
हा, धन्यवादः। ठञ् कवचिनश्च
ठञ् कवचिनश्च
ब्राह्मणमाणववाडवाद्यन्
ब्राह्मणमाणववाडवाद्यन् ग्रामजनबन्धुसहायेभ्यस्तल्
अनुदात्तादेरै
अनुदात्तादेरै
खण्डिकादिभ्यश्च चरणेभ्यो धर्मवत्
अचित्तहस्तिधेनोष्ठक् केशाश्वाभ्यां यैच्छावन्यतरस्यां
पाशादिभ्यो यः
खलगोरथात् इनित्रकट्यचश्च
विषयो
देशे
राजन्यादिभ्यो
राजन्यादिभ्यो भौरिक्यादि ऐषुकार्यादिभ्यः विधल्भक्तलौ सोऽस्यादिरिति
छन्दसः
प्रगाथेषु
संग्रामे प्रयोजनयोद्धृभ्यः
प्रयोजनयोद्धृभ्यः
तदस्यां प्रहरणमिति
तदस्यां प्रहरणमिति तदस्यां प्रहरणमिति
क्रीडायां नः
क्रीडायां नः
घयसास्यां क्रियेतिज्ञः
घयस्सास्यां क्रियेतिज्ञः घयस्सास्यां क्रियेतिज्ञः
तदधीते तद्वेद
तदधीते तद्वेद तदधीते तद्वेद
क्रतूक्तादिसूत्रान्ताठक्
क्रतूक्ता क्रतूक्तादिसूत्रान्ताठक् क्रतूक्तादिसूत्रान्ताठक्
क्रमादिभ्यो वुन्
क्रमादिभ्यो वुन्
अनुब्राह्मणादिनिः
अनुब्राह्मणादिनिः
वसन्तादिभ्यष्ठक्
वसन्तादिभ्यष्ठक्
प्रोक्ताल्लुक्
प्रोक्ताल्लुक्
सूत्राच्चकोपधात्
सूत्राच्चकोपधात्
छन्दो ब्राह्मणानि च तद्विषयाणि
छन्दो ब्राह्मणानि च तद्विषयाणि
तदस्मिन्नस्तीति देशे तन्नाम्नि
तदस्मिन्नस्तीति देशे तन्नाम्नि
तेन निर्वृत्तम्
तेन निर्वृत्तम्
तस्य निवासः
तस्य निवासः
अदूरभवश्च
अदूरभवश्च
ओरै
ओरै
मतोश्च बह्वजङ्गात्
मतोश्च बह्वजङ्गात्
बह्वचः कूपेषु
बह्वचः कूपेषु
उदक् च विपाशः
उदक् च विपाशः
सङ्कलादिभ्यश्च
सङ्कलादिभ्यश्च
त्रिषु सौवीरसाल्वप्राक्षु
स्त्रीषु सौवीरसाल्वप्राक्षु
सुवास्त्वादिभ्योऽण्
सुवास्त्वादिभ्योऽण्
रोणी
रोणी
कोपधाच्च
कोपधाच्च
तत्र कश्चन क्लेशः वर्तते अस्मिन् सूत्रे अहं पाठयामि प्रथमं पश्यामः उञ्छन् कठजिल शेनिरढण्यै
शेनिरढण्य
यफक्फि
यफक्फिन्
तत्र यफक्फि तदनन्तरम् ई अस्ति सो यफक्फि ईञ्य कक्ठकः
कक्ठकः
Arihana krishashva.
Arihana krishashva. Arihana krishashva.
Rishya kumudakasha.
Rishya kumudakasha. Rishya kumudakasha.
Trinaprekshashma.
Trinaprekshashma. Trinaprekshashma.
Sakhi sankasha balapaksha.
Sakhi sankasha balapaksha. Sakhi sankasha balapaksha.
Karna sutangama.
Karna sutangama. Karna sutangama.
Pragadinvaraha kumudadibhyaha.
Pragadinvaraha kumudadibhyaha. Pragadinvaraha kumudadibhyaha.
I think till Janapade lup.
Janapade lup. Janapade lup.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyawad.
Except the 80th sutra, all the sutras are easy. Then in copy, before we get into the chanting, I just want to show you one small. So this is the information I thought I should share with you all. Today evening 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. we have a webinar. We have a small launch function, Lokarpanam of certain sevas. You can note if you have not got this message or if you have not got the mail or something, you can note this Zoom meeting ID 972-4762-8879. This you can note down. And we have Professor George Cardona. He's a veteran scholar of Paninian grammar and linguistics. And he's a Western scholar and he's a very great scholar. So he will be inaugurating the Ashtadhyayi and iOS apps for ashtadhyayi.com. Now all of us are having this, all of us are seeing this site, ashtadhyayi.com. This site has been created as an app and you can access it. Though you can access it through your browser, still there is a convenience of accessing this as a native app. So that is being done, and two of our volunteers, Sriram and Kriti, have done this work for us. And this site, ashtadhyayi.com, is actually developed by a person called Nilesh Bodas. Nilesh Bodas is a Vyakarana scholar and he works at Google, and he's a big supporter of Vyoma, and he's also a volunteer, and he's a teacher in Vyoma Labs, and he's a Vyakarana scholar. He learnt Vyakarana from our own teachers in Vyoma, and then he became a teacher in Vyoma Labs, and he teaches a lot of Vyakarana topics, and currently he is teaching the Kridanta course. Now Nilesh Bodas has designed this site, ashtadhyayi.com, and for our class chanting also, if we put it as chanting, we get the chanting and the split. So that is how he has designed this site. Now this site is made into an app, and that is what we are going to launch today. And we are also going to launch a new course on free video course on Kashika Vritti. This is some people were asking what is the meaning of these sutras. So the meaning of these sutras is given in two Vritti Granthas, one of main Vritti Granthas. One is Kashika Vritti and Siddhanta Kaumudi. So Kashika Vritti is the Prachina Vyakarana and Siddhanta Kaumudi the Navina Vyakarana. So we are starting a free video course on this, and we'll be posting pre-recorded videos of Vidwan Vaishnava Simha, who is the Vyakarana teacher for this course, and he's a great scholar, and he has taught this course, and this is also being presented free of cost. And this, believe me, unbelievable explanation is there by Vaishnava Simha. These explanations are in Sanskrit. But only thing is, it will not be in English, it will be in Sanskrit. And the third launch that we are going to have is authentic pronunciation of Bhagavad Gita. And we are also trying to bring in a revised edition of our Shabda Rupa Sangraha book. So this entire function is what we will be having at 7 o'clock. I would request if all of you can be present for that function. I am sure many of you are attending Laghu Kaumudi class also. Even Soumya must have told you about this this launch and other things. So we have invited all the Vyakarana students for this function. It is a very great honor to listen to Professor George Cordona. He is a very great scholar, Western scholar. I have met him when I participated in the World Sanskrit Conference, and Soumya ji also knows him. Soumya ji also has met him in different conferences, and hence we could invite him. He has kindly consented to be present. So in next 1.5 hours, I think we will be, by God's grace, we will be in that Loka Arpana Seva, which we are launching. I would request all the Vyakarana students of this class to be present there if you can, if your schedule allows this. Most interestingly, there is a paper presentation of 20 minutes by Professor George Cordona inside the function, Interpretation for Understanding Panini. So he will be probably presenting this in English, and you can understand definitely that there will be the program will be mostly in English, but some parts of the program will be in Sanskritam. I think we don't have time to do any chanting today. We will take up the chanting tomorrow. I will end the class now for now. So password for the meeting, I don't think so there is a password. So once you get, the admin will allow you into the, it will be a admission by admin. So there is no password for the meeting. 972-4762-8879. I think there is no password for the meeting. Okay. So we end the class today. We will join tomorrow. We'll continue the class tomorrow. Enakshara samamnayam adhigamya maheshwarat krishnam vyakaranam proktam tasmai paninaye namaha. Dhanyawada.